before long time you can respect me. You are respecting me late time. No, I don't need this respect.
هذا أبصر ما لهم كوجو بصير أنت سنو حواي مش مدي مرهر اللي جواي هذا اللي جاي مفهنا على صوت ده مش مدي مرهر اللي جواي هذا اللي جاي مفهنا على صوت ده قالوا له هاي كوسا هاي بيبي
أنا واحدة كوسا I'm speechless for you because I respect you so much.
أفكي أجوك قبي قالوا له because of أنا كوكو حشمية.
But can I ask you one question, my brother?
Silly question has no answer.
Wait, Abo. Wait, the people.
I'm not waiting. I'm sitting.
I don't think so. It's police is coming here in the TikTok or to talk at everybody. The police is walking only in the town. Why are you sitting here? You are not doing nothing. You forget your work.
Talk to farta haji, not the police.
بوليس كان لهادلين أنا إلى هذا العلوق ده تهذا كلا تبوليس كبريء أو كجرا وآمن لا ده تهذا كلا تروح كورة إنه يا بوليس كودن كإنجليش كلوجا هذا لا يوجوجا إنجليش كه كاسة هي فريندلي ولا هذا
Okay, now I understand very well. That why are you coming here? Because you are same clone. That you are arresting me. That you are arresting me. No. I'm going here.
إنجليش كان لا فقالي.
No, I understand.
إنجليش كقبيل وجاري كلها اسمه قبيلة تنينا يحتارتا. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Go on, follow the lama second. I cannot have your follower. I have to follow you.
Yes.
You're very funny.
I'm not funny. No, I'm not funny. I'm just like normal girl in the world.
We like that. I like normal girl. You married or single?
I am only 15 years old.
Very good.
The girl.
I like Sekhursujios Gamar.
No, I cannot marry it now because I'm 15 years old.
It's better for you to have a loss lugadat because English is for adek for you.
Guys, shut the gargara. Top that is rain. Okay, that's the Kahalasaro. Thank you. Waxaa lagu dhahay abaayo luqada afkaaga hooyo iskaga hadal because English ku kugu adag yahay lagu dhahay si aan u wada qaraaxaysano af Soomaaliga ma u soo daadagnaaha lagu yiri.
No. Why I'm here to speak the language. Every day I give a time to learn how to speak to other people.
Okay, Salmo, you have right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you.
You are speaking very quickly. I didn't understand very well. Can you speak English again? Can you say again?
You have right.
But don't speak very quickly.
Okay, you have right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you.
No, this is not my English. I didn't.
Waxaa lagu dhahay. Okay, fiiri. Okay, ya isxaji waxa walba aa sheegaysaa dhawaadana isxaji adiga qabagal saaxib.
Qof kale nisoo qabana oo dhax galo.
No.
Shukran.